Hello everyone, my name is Elliot Felinsky. I'm an RA here at Court 17, and today I'll be showing you the studio apartment. So, always one person. And so immediately off to the side, you have your bathroom, full stocked, still shower, toilet, sink, anything you need. Off to the left, closet space. And coming a bit through the hallway, bedroom. One bed, one drawer. Immediately to the left as well, you have washer and dryer, kind of hidden there, you can see it later, as well as even more closet space. So you certainly don't have to worry about storing any things if you think the one-person rooms will be smaller and you can't store your stuff near. You certainly can. Then you have your kitchen. The only really difference between this and the other rooms is smaller. So of course you have a smaller fridge, microwave, your oven, and your dishwasher, and still quite a few cabinets, not as many as you'd see in some of the other rooms. There's certainly enough for one person. Coming into the living room, you have a smaller couch, as well as a single dining room, table, and desk. So and doing schoolwork, you still have quite a lot for one person, so don't need to worry about that. As well as in this room, you can get a western-facing view of the hospital, some of the other apartments, as well as the YMCA, just right across the street. Not only that, but 2 blocks down, as we'll hear later, there's also the swimming pool part of the YMCA. So we have 2 YMCAs basically within 2 blocks. And that is it for the studio bedroom. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one. And my name was Elliot Felinsky.